Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. Behind us is the new Kia EV6. In this video we're going to take a test drive. Unfortunately I forgot my GoPro camera, so we'll have someone in the back filming me, so I'm going to do a first impressions on the EV6. It's a great car. We had it for a short drive today and now for a little video, but it's an excellent car. So without further ado, let's just jump into the car and do a little test drive. Hello guys, we're in a new Kia EV6. This is a premiere in Croatia. We're gonna have a short drive and I'm gonna try to review the car on the go because we're short with the time. So we're heading off. This is the rear wheel drive. This is the biggest battery. So what we found out that next year in 2022 in spring, there will be a major software update. So these are early models. And the GT model will be coming end of 2022. This car is produced in South Korea. The car itself, the batteries, and I gotta say Kia is really stepping up their game in quality, build quality, design quality. Everything in this car feels posh. This is the GT line. The handling of the car, considering this is an all-wheel drive, is excellent. It does a little bit slip in the corners if you're too aggressive, but the electronics keep you in the track or on the road, so no worries there. We're gonna try to do a little demo here if we get a chance. But car is a crossover, so it is a little bit uplifted. You have excellent overview on the car. It's very comfortable. The seats can also recline, so when you're charging you can just relax. And what's interesting, Kia is now using the Meridian sound system, 14 speakers, excellent clear sound. It also increases the music where you're playing when you're driving at higher speeds, and then it decreases the sound when you slow down. For the copyrights we won't test the sound system. We're just gonna do a little drive around the city. Now we're driving in a I believe a normal mode. If we put it to sport, the car becomes very responsive, and we're just going to do a little demo here. Punch it. Kia also has this some sort of EV sound. I believe you can switch it off somewhere, but didn't have enough time to play with this. It's not too intrusive for me. I drive a Tesla. I'm used to not having any sound, but I believe you can switch this off, same as in the new Ioniq. Excellent handling on the road, as mentioned. Very comfortable. Excellent overview on the side mirrors. In the rear as well, despite the small mirror. And Kia is happy that they've designed the spoiler on the rear. It's long, so there is no need for a rear wiper. What's cool about the interior, by the way, before I continue about the interior, this is the new steering wheel Kia says they're going to introduce to all models. It's nice, it's ergonomic, all the two-spoke, but in my opinion, good. The new infotainment, you have two screens that are curved, and you have a nice layout of the AC, but once you use a touchscreen on the bottom, you can change these features to something completely new or different layout. So you can have an AC in this example, but if you switch to a touch button on the top, you have map, shortcuts, navigations, and other virtual buttons. So in this case, you can see that the AC controls, you have the little still knobs you can use, which is quite convenient. Most cars are now switching to fully touchscreen operations. In my Tesla, that's one of the features I think I would prefer to have on a knob. Now we're short with the time, so I'm going to just turn around here and head back. It's also excellent, and the feature I like is that Kia has decided to put a like in the e-Niro, this rotary dial for the automatic, which is obviously 1 speed for the electric cars. And what's also excellent is that Kia uses recuperative driving. The standard setup is minimal recuperation, but you can change the recuperation on the pedals, and you could, if you want to, drive automatically with one pedal drive, which is my favorite feature in electric cars, or you can drive normally if you want to coast. But if you're driving an electric car, accidentally turn it on, heated seats. If you're driving, as mentioned, okay, this is the passenger seat, I can't turn it off at the moment, but if you're driving an electric car, it's more logical to drive with one pedal, because when you recuperate, you bring back energy into the battery, so you have more range. And for me, it's easier when I'm anticipating the red light, or when I want to slow down, I just let go of the accelerator pedal, car slows down, and I just continue on. And it has, in this max regen mode, it doesn't start like a classical automatic. By going forward, it just stops, and then it goes when you press the accelerator pedal when you want to go. Car also has one of the cool features even that Tesla hasn't thought of, which is charging your devices via a charge port. It's a Type 2 sort of adapter that switches to Schuko, or if you're in America, to American outlet, or if you're in Australia, China, it doesn't matter. They have all sorts of plugs. So you can go camping in this car, and you can charge. If you want to watch a game, you can bring your TV in the back of the trunk. You can take it out, put it on a little stand, and you can plug it in, and you can watch your TV, game, whatever you are. You can, grab some beer, put it in the front, put some ice in it. You can have cold beer. So that's pretty cool for me. So unfortunately, you won't be able to use this on other electric cars, because Kia has made a system for this ports where you can charge other electronic devices, and you can also charge your other electric cars. So if someone is in a problem, your friend is in a problem, and he just, for example, I don't know, depleted his battery, he wasn't thinking, I don't know, he was in a rush, and he needs help, you can come and you can plug your car to his car, and you can charge him up a little bit and help him to get to the first EV station. That was probably not the initial plan for that, but it is an option. I even saw a video on YouTube of Ioniq charging the Tesla Model 3. This is basically the same car as Ioniq, but completely different design. Design is a matter of taste, but I think once again, this car is very elegant. There's a good demand for this car. It has already been seen in its domestic market, the South Korea, and even in Europe there's a good demand for this car. Unfortunately, with the situation and the pandemic and the shortage of electronic parts, this will be a challenge for the Kia, as like the rest of the car industry, to supply enough parts for cars and electric cars. But I believe if you had the pre-order, you will get your car in 2022. Also for the Croatian market, very interesting entry price, and local Kia has decided to, since the incentive for the cars were already sold out for the 2021, they've decided that they will lower your price. It doesn't matter if you financing the car, leasing the car, if you're using cash, they will give you sort of a same discount, which is almost something around 9,000 euros. That's a very fine discount, and they will keep this until the government financing starts in 2022. This is it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be a cool person, smash the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel and click the little bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So everyone, once again, thank you for watching. Smash the like button, leave your comments below. How do you like the new Kia EV6? I think, again, it's an excellent electric car. Eager to get it for a proper test, probably maybe next year, but definitely a huge step up in design, in interior quality, and in technology. Huge step up for Kia, and I can't wait to see more from electric cars from Kia this is definitely a nice refresh after the Niro, which was not a fully from ground up built electric car, which Kia EV6 is. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you next one. Stay safe. Bye.